Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your language and region for Facebook. So in order to do this, let's click on these three little lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now gear icon, then scroll down a bit and you should see language and region. So let's open it. And here you'll be able to change any language or region settings, like language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. So you can click on each of the settings and adjust the language. Now make sure to save the settings after you've changed any of them. So right here it's English, you can go for Spanish and just make sure to click on that save. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.